When we started writing the book originally, we were actually going to subtitle it The Rise and Fall of Remainers and Leavers, because we assumed that these things would be in much stronger decline than they would be when we started kind of originally thinking about the project 5 years ago. And actually, of course, as I said, that's not really been the case. These are actually still very common. They're still very strongly held. And so I think we had to kind of revise our opinions of the nature of these political identities, that actually they were more lasting than they were. And I think that was surprising. I think actually another thing that I found surprising was actually the extent to which people, academics, interpret our findings through the lens of their own Brexit identity. So that is, people are really reluctant to accept that their identity group is just as bad or maybe even worse than the other identity group, and that their perceptions of the group are essentially just as unfounded as the other side's perceptions of them. And I hadn't really anticipated actually how difficult it was for people to remove themselves from the group. And I should say, I don't discount myself from that. I'm probably just as bad as everyone else, but it's because it's easier to see other people's flaws than your own. But I think that was quite surprising, that sort of inability to remove yourself in order to see the true picture.